In today's video, I want to talk about something that might feel uncomfortable. Why you may need to stop digging up your trauma. I spent years doing deep emotional work, talk therapy, cognitive therapy, Reiki, EMDR, journaling for self-help, energy healing, modality after modality. And I was fully committed, let me tell you that. And I understood my trauma from every possible angle. I kept trying to find the buried thing, the memory, the emotion, the wound, something that would finally explain everything and release it. And a lot of people get stuck here because we are told the same message over and over again. You need to process your trauma. You need to feel everything. You need to go deeper. So people go searching year after year, practitioner after practitioner, and while they become very educated about their trauma, something else doesn't change. Their baseline doesn't shift. Their nervous system capacity doesn't grow, and that's the part that matters the most. Trauma work can backfire when your nervous system is very sensitized. If your system is already overwhelmed, already on a high alert, already struggling with daily regulation, and then you add deep emotional excavation on top of that, you're adding activation to an already activated system. You're asking it to process more when it can barely handle the present moment, and when there isn't enough capacity, integration doesn't happen the way you expect. It can feel like processing, but sometimes it is just reactivation. And if you keep digging that, your system can become even more sensitive. For a long time, I thought I just hadn't found the right modality yet. But the real issue wasn't the tool, it was the sequence. We hear things like the body keeps the score, trauma is stored in the tissues, you have to feel it to heal it. And those ideas contain truth, but they can also create a belief that healing requires constant excavation, that somewhere buried inside of you is that magic key which will open the magic doors for your trauma, and if you just find it, everything will settle. So people keep digging. They assume if they are not better, they haven't found the right memory. But if your baseline isn't changing, your capacity isn't changing. And capacity is the foundation. When your nervous system is sensitized, urgency keeps the alarm on. Searching keeps the alarm on. Constantly trying to solve it keeps the alarm on. So you can be doing deep trauma work while at the same time signaling danger to your body. The system hears just that. It hears that we are still searching, we are still not safe, we have not solved this. That message keeps the baseline elevated. That message means emotions should be avoided. Repressed emotions absolutely rise stress over time. Stuffing things down is not the solution, but you do not need to locate the original trauma in order to process what is happening for you right now. You don't need to trace every emotion back to a memory. What is present is completely enough. Allowing what is here without analyzing it immediately is processing. The allowing is the work. You build capacity by how you respond to discomfort, not by how deeply you dig. When sensations appear and you do not react with urgency, you teach your nervous system that this is not an emergency. Every time you choose allowing over reacting, you lower the alarm slightly. Over time, that lowers the baseline as well. And when the baseline lowers, deeper emotional work becomes possible. But when the system is constantly in survival mode, digging deeper can slow recovery. That is why sequence matters. Desensitize first. Lower the baseline first. Build capacity first. Let your life become part of the regulation process. Then, if deeper trauma work still feels relevant to you, it will feel different. Less overwhelming, more integrated, not something you are forcing. So the question is not what buried trauma do I need to find, but the question is, does my system have the capacity to hold it right now? And if you are sensitized, the priority is always stabilization. Let repetition build safety. Let consistency lower the alarm. Once that foundation is there, emotional material can surface naturally. And doing less trauma work early on often moves people further, faster, because you are building the nervous system capacity required for real integration. I am not anti-emotional work, that's for sure. I believe it is very, very important, and I still do it for myself, but timing matters so much. When the system can hold it, it works differently. When it cannot, it can create more activation. So before you do more trauma work, pause for a second. Focus on lowering the baseline for yourself. Focus on that capacity. Then deeper work becomes optional instead of necessary. And if you want to go a little bit deeper in your healing, I left a free resource down below, and I will see you on the next one.